Trying to build income online can feel overwhelming when you're just getting started. Everywhere you look, someone is telling you about another business opportunity, another tool, another strategy, or another way to make money. But here's something I wish more beginners understood. You don't need to learn everything. You need a direction, a few important skills, and a simple system you can improve over time. So, if you're completely new, here's where I would start. Step 1. Choose one direction. There are many legitimate ways people try to build income online. You could sell a service, create digital products, build an online store, create content, or use affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the models I focus on because the basic concept is simple. Instead of creating your own product, you recommend a product or service offered by another company. When someone uses your affiliate link and completes a qualifying purchase, you may earn a commission according to that company's affiliate terms. But getting an affiliate link is the easy part. Step 2. Learn the skills. Beginners sometimes spend so much time looking for the perfect opportunity that they forget something important. The opportunity doesn't do the marketing for you. Learn how to create useful content. Learn how to communicate clearly. Learn how to attract people who are interested in the problem you're helping solve. Learn the basics of traffic, email marketing, and building trust with an audience. Those skills can stay with you even if the particular product or company you're promoting changes. Step 3. Build traffic and an audience. You don't need millions of followers. You need to start putting useful information in front of the right people. You could create YouTube videos, write blog articles, use social media, build an email list, or combine several methods over time. And you don't necessarily have to start by spending money on advertising. Organic traffic can give beginners an opportunity to learn what content people respond to before putting money into paid promotion. Step 4. Connect problems with relevant solutions. Don't just throw affiliate links everywhere. Start with the person. What are they trying to accomplish? What problem are they dealing with? What question brought them to your content? Help them understand the problem first. Then, when a product or service genuinely fits what they need, you can introduce it as a possible solution. That's a much stronger foundation than simply telling everybody to buy something. Step 5. Stay consistent and improve. Building something online takes time. Some content will work, some won't. Some strategies will bring visitors. Others may produce very little. The goal isn't to get everything right on your first attempt. Look at what is working, learn from what isn't, and improve. One of the biggest mistakes beginners can make is changing direction every time they see another opportunity. Choose a direction. Learn the skills. Build your audience. Create useful content. Measure your results. And improve. That's the foundation. And if you're still wondering what you should learn first, I've created a free resource called The Beginner's Blueprint. It's designed to help beginners understand the basic skills, traffic strategies, and systems involved in building income online without all the hype and confusion. You can get your free copy at lunstonbryan.com/blueprint. And subscribe to Success with Lunston Bryan for more beginner-friendly videos about affiliate marketing, free traffic, online business, and building simple systems. Learn, build, improve.